Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store from Aliexpress. So let's get started. First of all, go to apps and then click on apps and sales channel settings. Now on this page, you will click on customize your store button. Then on the search apps bar, you are going to search AliExpress reviews by Reputon. Here I am going to use this app, AliExpress reviews by Reputon. Now we will search this. After searching, click on the AliExpress reviews by Reputon app, and then you would have to click on add app button. Click on add app button, and now you will go to click on the install app button. Now for installing the app, after installing the app, you will see this page. So go to your AliExpress shop, copy your store number just like this in the screen, and then get back and paste it. And now click on search button. Now you will see this is the store in the option. Now we will click on the save button. Let's add the widget. Click on add widget button, select your favorite layout and theme, and then click on the save button. Now you can add different options. Okay, copy widget ID, and then click on install in theme editor. After clicking on install in theme editor, another page will open that will open your theme editor. So now on the left drop down, you will scroll down and click on the add section button, and on the search thing you will see AliExpress reviews app available. Now paste the widget ID here that you copied earlier and click on save button. After clicking the save button, you are good to go. Click on view your store. After going on online store and themes, you will click on view your store. And now on your store page, you can easily see the reviews. All the reviews are here. So that's all for this video. If you like this video and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.